Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syahira binti Mahmud. Number matrix is 068020. So, today I would like to talk about divorce occurs on the grounds of lack of understanding or Shiqaq. So, we go through with an introduction of Shiqaq. Okay, every married couple hopes for a happy marriage until the end of life. However, people are often negligent and often make mistakes that create conflict in the household. In terms of language, Shiqaq means argument, fight, and dispute. In short terms, Shiqaq is a big dispute between husband and wife caused by touching of dignity or honor of the spouse from Wahbah al-Zuhaili, 1989. Okay, Shiqaq is one of the dispute and enmity between husband and wife that prompts the intervention of other parties to reconcile them both. According to Al-Nawardi, states that Shiqaq occurs from the wife when nuisance occurs against the husband and neglects her duty in exercising the husband's rights. Meanwhile, Shiqaq from the husband occurs when he does not hold his wife in the proper way. If he does not to do so, he does not to release his wife in a good way. Okay, we go to it with a question 1, which is what can be done if Shiqaq happens? So the answer is the important thing to overcome the Shiqaq happens, which is a domestic problem that occurs between husband and wife, is that the religion of Islam orders to get a decision from the Hakam. The meaning of this Hakam is to ascertain the cause of Shiqaq and try to find a way out by providing solution to the domestic crisis that occurs between the husband and wife. Based on Surah An-Nisa, the role and function of Hakam is very great and noble in the Syariah. The main thing in the implementation of Hakam is reconciliation. Islam is a solution to the problems of the community within the framework of Siyasat Syariah. Through the enforcement of the Hakam method, the Hakam can be authorized by the court to end the conflict through talaq or khul. In reconciliation cannot be achieved, and the same that time resolve the domestic conflict in two pronged way, either by way from reconciliation or separation. According to Section 48 in Federal Territories Act 1984 Act 303, if satisfied that there are constant quarrels, Shiqaq between the parties to a marriage, the court may appoint in accordance with Hukum Syara two arbitrators or Hakam to act for the husband and wife respectively. In appointing the Hakam under subsection 1, the court shall, where possible, give preference to close relatives of the parties having knowledge of the circumstance of the case.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Jihan binti Darus. My matric number is 069100. Today, I will present about what will happen if the conciliation committee cannot reconcile the two parties. This conciliation committee is a process of conciliation between the disputing party after one of party claims divorce and before it is decided to proceed to the court. The conciliation committee was established as a mechanism for the resolution of divorce claims so that divorce case can be resolved quietly. If the conciliation committee is unable to reconcile the two parties, then according to Section 44, subsection 11, the enactment of the Family Islamic Law, Terengganu, 2017, has explained that if the conciliation committee is unable to achieve reconciliation between the two parties, then the position issue a certificate or any recommendation deemed appropriate which maintenance and career of a minor, children from marriage, division of property, and in relation to other matters related to marriage. That is, where there is no reconciliation within 6 months from the date of the formation of the committee, then the must give suggestion or recommend something related to alimony, custody of children before they reach adulthood, and relate to the division of property or other related matter in case of divorce. If the appointed conciliation committee cannot reach reconciliation between the spouse, then the court shall advise the husband to hold a hearing before the court. While the case refers to the court will go through the next process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Faizah binti Muhammad Yusof. My metric number is 067971. I will discuss about the third question, which is what will happen if Hakam fail to be the conciliator. The court will appoint two judges to act on behalf of the wife and also the husband. The court can give an order about the arbitration matter, and they have to obey the order and follow the Sharia law. So, Hakam like this has no power to divorce the husband and wife. However, they can give the final say regarding the marital status of the couple. This is based on the Section 48 Subsection 1 Enactment of Selangor Islamic Family Law. If the court is satisfied that fighting Shiqaq or dispute between the parties to a marriage, the court may appoint, in accordance with Hukum Syara, two arbitrators or Hakam to act on behalf of the husband and wife who respectively. Okay, what if this Hakam fail to be an agent of reconciliation? The Sharia courts can appoint a Hakam with the power to divorce. After that, the husband does not have the authority to prevent the divorce. It is also legal in terms of law and Sharia law in here. The court record the pronouncement of divorce. If the court fail to do so, then the court can appoint another court. This is based on the Section 48 Subsection 5 Selangor Islamic Family Law Enactment. Judge shall hand over to obtain full authority from their respective principals and may, if their authority permits, pronounce a divorce before the court if so permitted by the court. And if such is the case, the court should record the pronouncement of the single talaq and send a certified copy of the record to the relevant registrar and to the chief registrar to be registered. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saidatul Afifah binti Rosmaini. Metric number 067968. 4. What can the ex-wife claim if the dissolution of the marriage is due to the Shiqaq? Even though the marriage bond has been broken due to the divorce, due to prolonged Shiqaq, Islam still gives room for husband and wife to continue to connect with each other with the limits. However, the wife who is convicted of nushuz is not entitled to earn alimony during the period of disobedience. Among the rights that can be claimed in courts after a divorce occurs are: firstly, nafkah iddah must be paid to the ex-wife during the period of iddah raj'i caused by the divorce. It consists of food, clothes, and shelter based on Sharia law. Marital property: among the properties that can be claimed include ringgit money, movable property, immovable property, or any asset produced by joint partnership during the marriage period. Maintenance areas that are not paid by the husband to the wife during the marriage period have become a debt to the husband. In this matter, a husband must pay the areas of maintenance. Child custody rights, or hadanah we call. According to the Sharia law and Islamic family law, the mother is the individual who has the most right to take care of young children, which is under the age of 7 years for boys and 9 years for girls. For children who exceed the age limit, where there is a dispute regarding child custody rights, the courts will determine, based on the choice made by the children, whether to live with the mother or the father. Child support include food, clothing, shelter, education, and medical care only according to his means. Resident rights. A divorced woman has a right to live in the house she lived in during the marriage during the iddah period. Conclusion. Islam has outlined a method to resolution by making the principle of tolerance the main principle for dealing with families' conflicts. The appointment of Hakam has actually been contained in the enactments and Islamic Family in the Islamic Family Act, Federal Territories 1948. Hakam has a very important role in solving family problems that arise. Hakam is also a party where he is able to save a married couple from a divorce based on his own interpretation that is a peacemaker.